It's Humboldt Toy.
I think it's the Forestdale Road is what the road is.
Gotcha. Well, try it out. We're not gonna air down yet. We're gonna wait a little bit, find like a little pull off or something up here to air down. But oh god, it looks a little tree branchy.
It opened up. Then you get on top of the mountain. So if you want, we can pull off up here and air down.
Find the
There's a bunch of pull offs.
So we just got to the trail. Supposedly it's pretty rocky. We did this on our dirt bikes. I don't remember it, but James does. So super excited to try it out. Damn, that Jeep's mobbing. Let him pass this.
See, that's what you gotta do.
I don't want to break stuff. He's encouraging me to go fast, but I don't want to break anything. We're just gonna air down a little bit because, like I said, it does get pretty rocky. So just air him down a little bit and then start the trailie too.
You'll remember once we get where we're going.
We had to air down a little bit more because we thought we did a lot, but it wasn't. Been a while since we wheeled, but yeah, airing down. I did that side, he's doing this side, and then the trail goes that way. Again, it gets pretty rocky, but super pretty. The views are sick. It's like a perfect day out today in Tahoe. Yeah, dude, let's rip it.
So this is where the trail starts getting good.
Woohoo!
We're at almost the top, but it's not too long. I think it's only like 3 or 4 miles of these cool views up on top of the mountains, but sweet views. And then up over there is the PCT and Carson Pass, and that's Maddie, and that's Maddie's Jeep.
Okay, so this is where, like James said, it starts to get a little sketch. You can see that way. Right tire? Yeah. Okay. So yeah, let's rip it. A little nervous just because I haven't off-roaded not obviously a very long time, but it's all good. We are all good.
Not that high up.
Super pretty up here. You can see the lake and then the PCTs down there. We saw a bunch of people, their backpacks. But Jeep's doing great. I think we are down to like 25-ish. But
Definitely go.
yeah.
I don't think it's needed.
No. But it feels really good up here. Dude, what a fucking view. Doing this is making me really realize that I need to take my spacers off, first of all. Second of all, I really need to get the right wheels, like the right offset. And then I gotta rip the front fenders out because my tires are rubbing like crazy. I obviously took the back fender, the inner fenders, sorry is what I mean. The back inner fenders are out when I did the fender chop, but I gotta take the front ones out. But yeah, so I think we're almost done. Going up. Where James has to hike up there to get videos and pictures of me doing his husbandly duties. This trail is cool too because it's like along the ridge, obviously, and you kind of just get like a bunch of different scenery. Oh shit, rock. And then obviously how I find them on trails is Onyx. Only app I really use for it. It's nice because if you plug your car into CarPlay, you can literally have like the whole trail system up on the radio, which is pretty cool. But yeah, so it looks like we're maybe halfway. Maybe not quite, but we end at like a super pretty lake, which looks cool.
Got a bunch of enduros coming.
Shit.
Like 4. So if you want me to get any videos, I can. Your camera, the GoPro. No idea what I'm filming. Hopefully it's cool. Hey, butterfly. Next time we do this, we'll have to do it in reverse.
Yeah, for sure.
Reverse tear. I mean, I know there's other like off-road trails, so I think like on the way back too, if you wanted any more.
So we finished the trail and it brings you to Blue Lake. So we kind of just parked the Jeep, ate our lunch, and then I was relaxing for a little bit before heading towards home, and then we might do some other trails that are on the way home. But super pretty. It's like really clear.
I think that was a good little warm-up trail.
Yeah.
Get back into the swing of things.
For sure.
Cool.
We're done off-roading for the day, and we are just airing this bitch back up. Taking forever. And I stupidly washed my Jeep yesterday before off-roading, and now I have to wash it again.